Hello students, welcome to video class. It's biology for class 9. In biology, the current topic is detailed classification of kingdom plant. In last class, I discussed the characteristics of division bryophyte. I also discussed about different types of bryophytes, primitive bryophytes and well-developed bryophytes, means liverwort, hornwort and moss plants. Today I will explain some other points related to the basic characteristics of bryophytes. Reproduction in bryophytes. How do bryophytes reproduce? So these plants reproduce by asexual method as well as sexual method. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of spores. Spores are a small spherical structure which are formed in a special sac-like sporangia or a spore case. In a spore case, spores are formed due to division of spore mother cells. Spores are born by sporophyte. In the life of bryophytes, two phases comes: gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. Right? These two phases occurs alternately in the life cycle of bryophytes. The main plant body is gametophytic plant body made by haploid cells, and the sporophyte grow on gametophyte, depends on gametophyte. Right? Sporophytes develops on gametophytic plant body. The sporophytes bear a spore producing organ, sporangia. Sporangia produces spores. Spores, when fall to soil, germinate and give rise to new plants. This is how bryophytes reproduce asexually. Right? These plants also reproduce bisexually. The sex organs are antheridium and archegonium. Right? Archegonium and antheridium are male sex organ. Male sex organ. This is the symbol of male. These are pear-shaped structure, pear-shaped multicellular structure, which has a jacket of sterile cells, and inside the pear-shaped, inside the jacket, say antherozoid mother cells are present. Antheridium produces male gametes. Male gametes are called antherozoids. Antherozoids or sperm. And the female reproductive organ are archegonia. Archegonium is singular of archegonia. These are flask-shaped body. Archegonia contain eggs, the female gamete eggs. Okay. The two gametes, male and female gametes, fuse together only in presence of water. That means water is essential for fertilization in bryophytes, and hence water is essential to complete the life cycle. In absence of water, life cycle of bryophytes can't be completed. For this reason, bryophytes are called amphibians of kingdom plant, are called amphibian plants. Why they are called amphibians? Bryophytes grow on land at shady places, and also in and water is essential for fertilization in these plants. Okay, thus water, in absence of water, their life cycle can't be completed. So these plants are called amphibians in kingdom plant. Well, next point is reproduction. It is over now. Alternation of generation. The next point we will discuss in this video. Alternation of generation. It occurs in the life cycle of almost all living, but is distinct in bryophytes. In alternation of generation, two phases occurs, one after another, in the life cycle of a living organism. The two phases are gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. Gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase occurs alternately in the life cycle of bryophytes. This is called alternation of generation. In more detail about alternation of generation and the life cycle of bryophytes, you don't have to read. You will read the topics in higher classes, say in higher subject. Okay, that's all. More I will discuss in next video. Thank you.